Welcome back traders. In this video we'll discuss about today's bank nifty trade, and it has been for the past few days I have not posted any videos in YouTube because of I was not actively monitoring the live market. So in this video I will show you my today's PNL, and I will explain you the trade logic behind today's trade in a different time frame. Let me reload and show you today's PNL first quickly. Yes, which is around 7,420 rupees. So let's discuss today's trade logic. In this, I will use two different time frame: a 30-minute time frame and a 5-minute time frame. So first of all, on a 30-minute time frame, morning, yes, we got an up move and then the quick fall clearing the day's low, and then price went into sideways again and up move. This was today's trading session. But very important here is I have taken only the put side, put options trade. I have not even planned or taken any call side trade today. Sorry. On a 30-minute time frame where price is approaching, markets bank nifty is already in a kind of a balanced mode, and look at the price where the level is getting approached. It is approaching the selling zone who have pushed the price down, and they have developed this 2 days of sideways auction with a gap down opening which got later on filled. But important here is on a 30-minute time frame, it is a price is approaching the seller's zone. So now let me go back and show you on a 5-minute time frame what auction get developed and what made me to plan a short side trade. Morning price open, it has went up, came down again, again an up move, again a down move, again sideways, and then price moves up and it approaches the earlier selling zone on a 30-minute time frame. Interesting here is, let's look at the volume along with the price development. First of all, after the morning up move, we got a down move which almost made a new day low, and post price making a new day low, look at this next 15 to 20 minutes of aggressively buyers are pushing price up with increase in volume. So clearly the sellers who are coming in from this zone, they are not interested to make any clear downside follow through after a gap up opening on bank nifty. So there is a downside follow through is not coming in, and the sellers who are pushing the price down, look at the volumes which are not increasing. It's kind of a low, moderate to low volumes, and when buyers came into the auction, there was a price increase, and then price went into a sideways mode. So generally it is a basic logic: in a sideways auction the volumes will be low. Very simple. The traders who have breakout traders would have taken a buy side trade, and yes, price as decently went towards upside, but I have not taken any kind of buy side trade because price is approaching, or it is auctioning more in the selling zone which I have shown in a 30-minute time frame. So this has attracted me. Look at now the price action which is getting developed. Again price is increasing, a volume increase parallelly getting developed. But even though there is an increase in volume, price slowly steadily moving towards downside, and there was no attempt from the sellers, sorry, no attempt from the buyers to push the price further upside. Who are those buyers? These buyers who are, I can say, a breakout above which the buyers came in to push the price up almost 150 200 points. They have pushed the price up with an decent increase in volume when compared to the relative volume. Now interesting here is, where are these buyers again? Because price is approaching a selling zone on a 30-minute time frame, the buyers need to be really strong so that they can push the price up. If they are failing to be strong in this upside move, definitely already price is in the seller zone, so sellers will easily come and try to dominate the auction. So important here is, price again going into a sideways mode. This candle has made me to plan a short side trade or a put option trade, and I have not traded this entire move, to be honest. Let me add an indicator called VWAP. My expectation was price to test VWAP, that is generally price moving back to the mean, price moving back to the mean. This candle has made given clear confirmation from my side, as I was expecting prices in the seller zone. If these buyers are failing, definitely price minimum has to reverse back to this VWAP, that is mean level. So it was a clean clear down move. That is where I have taken my put option trade. Yes, later on my expectation was price to tag VWAP. Later on price goes into a sideways, again a fall. This move which I was not expecting when I have entered the trade at this on this candle. When I've entered the trade, I was not expecting this later on move to further come in. I was only expecting as the price is reversing back to the mean again. If this buyers who have managed to push the price up, they can rejoin this option and let the price to go into sideways mode, because my plan was this option premiums are slight higher when compared to tomorrow's and weekly expiry. Option premiums were slightly higher from past 2 3 days, and around 1 p.m. at this time. Still the option premiums were high, so I was expecting the price to be roaming around VWAP, but we got a drop again. Price started roaming below the VWAP. This I was not expecting as per the option premium based trade, expecting price to tag the VWAP, that is mean point. Important here is what I want you traders to learn is, don't just fix to single time frame. For example, don't just fix to a 5 minute time frame, or I will trade only in 15 minute, or I will trade only in 30-minute time frame. Don't stick to one single time frame. Understand, compare different time frames so that you can get a clear clue where price is approaching, where is the supply zone, where is the demand zone, or in a simple term, where sellers can rejoin in or where buyers can rejoin the auction. Important here is understand, choose different time frame, then plan your trade. Even you can be an intraday positional swing trader. Understand, compare different time frame so that it will be more better, or you can gain more better confidence